Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, how are you and welcome back to my channel. This is the first part of the whole video, so in this video I'd like to show you how to crochet the bottom part of this beautiful drawstring bag. Before I start it, I'd like to give you general descriptions about it. Well, this bottom part is made of 39 basic chains. It consists of 3 rounds of double crochet. The first round consists of 84 double crochet. Second round consists of 90 double crochet. The third or the last round consists of 102 double crochet. The material you need to have to make this ones are polyester yarns or any kind of yarn you like, a crochet hook, stitch markers, a pair of scissors, and a tapestry needle. Firstly, make a slip knot. This is the very important part of the crochet work. Then make 39 plus 5 basic chains. These are the 39 basic chains or foundation chains. Then make 5 more chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then count it backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make the first double crochet in the 5th chains from the hook. This is the first double crochet. Then make 1 double crochet in each of the chain stitches until you arrive at the first chains after the slip knot. Keep making 1 double crochet in each of the chain stitches. 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet. This is the last double crochet. Then this one is the first stitch from the slip knot or the last stitch from the hook. Make 3 double crochet in this stitch. We're gonna increase the amount of the double crochet, so make 3 double crochet or 3 double crochet increase in this stitch. 2, 3. Then we're on the other side. Make 1 double crochet in each of the stitches. Look at this double crochet and make 1 double crochet in the same line of this one. 1 double crochet, make 1 double crochet in the next one stitch. 1 double crochet in the next one stitch. Keep making 1 double crochet in each of the stitches. 1 double, 1 double, and 1 double crochet in the stitch. After that, make 2 double crochet in a chain stitch after the last 1 double crochet. This is the chain stitch. Under the 3 turning up, make 2 double crochet. The 3 chains are counted as 1 double crochet. This means that the amount of the double crochet in this stitch are 3 as well. After that, make a slip stitch on the top of the 3 chains. We're gonna make the second round. Firstly, make 3 chains. These 3 chains is counted as 1 double crochet. Then make 1 double crochet in each of the next stitches. 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet. Look at this 3 double crochet in one stitch. So make 2 double crochet increase in each of these 3 double crochet. 2 double crochet in this stitch, 2 double crochet in this stitch. After that, make 1 double crochet in each of the next stitches. 1 double, 1 double, 1 double, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in this stitch. Then look at these 2 double crochet in these 3 chains. Make 2 double crochet in each of these 2 double crochet. 2 double crochet. This is the first 2 double crochet. This is the last 2 double crochet. Look at this last stitch. Make 1 double crochet in the stitch under these 3 chains. These 3 chains are also counted as 1 double crochet. Then slip stitch on the top of the 3 chains. The second round is ready. This one is the third one. After making the 3 chains, which are counted as 1 double crochet, make 1 normal double crochet in each of the next stitches. 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet. Okay, now look at the double crochet increase. We just matched on the previous rounds. There are 6 double crochet, so make 2 double crochet increase in each of these 6 double crochet. Back to 1 double crochet, make 1 double crochet in each of the next stitches, 1 double, 1 double again. Now please look at these stitches. There are 6 double crochet left. These 6 double crochet are made of 2 double crochet increase, so make 2 double crochet in each of these 6 double crochet increase. Actually, there are 5 double crochet. The 6th one is represented by the chain 3. Make 2 double in each of these stitches. Finally, make 1 double crochet and stitch under the 3 chains. Then slip stitch and the bottom part of this beautiful drawstring bag is ready. It consists of 102 double crochet and can be divided by 6. Well everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll continue the tutorial on the next video. It is about how to make the upper part of this beautiful drawstring bag, or how to make the main pattern of this bag. See you again.